Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to share 10 art and craft tips that I have come across while dealing with them. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, as I always say it, and it really does. What it will do is it will help me to grow my channel, and also it will help me to create more videos for you. It will help me to come up with more new ideas, more new creative stuff to share with you guys. So please make sure to subscribe, and let's just get into the video now.
Don't throw away the leftover papers that you use for any of the projects. Instead, save them so you can use it in some other projects or activities without wasting any paper. I store them in such plastic bags so it is easy to have them at one place whenever I need them. If you don't have any palette, then you can use OHP sheet as a palette. It really goes well with colors. After use, you can just wash it off and dry. Keep a cup of water always while working with acrylic colors, especially metallic colors, because it wounds your brushes. After use, you can just dip them into the water. Always keep an extra or old brush for glue application separately. This brush I don't know since when, but it is really in a good condition. While using glitter for any projects, apply a mixture of glue and little water to seal the glitter and to protect it from any fallouts. If you are having any creative block, then try doodling. It really helps. If you have such small bottles lying around, then you can use them to store sequins. Don't throw them. Print pattern paper for cheap from Pinterest or Google. You don't need to buy them. You can just print off your favorite prints. Always keep black and white color in your stationery, as they come really handy. If you want to stick your DIYs to the wall, but you're worried about it ruining your wall, don't worry. Take the piece of tape and stick it to the cloth first and then stick it to the wall. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.